Hello, everyone. Welcome to Master English World. This lesson is for A1 beginners. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. We will speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about mistakes. Let's begin. What is your name?
My name is Kavya.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have a sister?
No, I don't have a sister.
What is your job?
I am a student.
What is your father's job?
He is a driver.
What is your mother's job?
She is a teacher.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat idli and drink tea.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 9 a.m.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise every day.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook sometimes.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean my room.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help my parents.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is dosa.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like cricket.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies.
What is this?
This is a pen.
What is that?
That is a chair.
What color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
How many days are in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
How many months are in a year?
There are 12 months in a year.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 172-450-076-82910.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Can you drive a car?
No, I cannot drive a car.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What subjects do you study?
I study English and maths.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Kumar.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like my school.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
What do you do at work?
I work on a computer.
Do you use a mobile phone?
Yes, I use a mobile phone.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, I watch YouTube.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
What language do you speak?
I speak Kannada and English.
Why do you learn English?
I learn English to speak better.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Practice every day. See you in the next video.